Okay, so what is a event viewer in a Windows? Event is a event viewer is common in all operating systems and application. Event viewer applications are there for viewing the events also. By by default in Windows, we have a event viewer is there, so we can see different logs of application system messages, including error information and warnings. Okay, and log viewer is also there, so we can see that one. How to see the event viewer? Okay, we can go to our virtual machine and see how to see the event viewer. So you can go to control panel and go to event viewer, or you can type in a Cortana. So event viewer part. Otherwise, best is always go to run. Type. I'm putting caps letters. Whether it is small or capital, no problem. Capitals look good. So event vwr.msc. Okay, Microsoft Console. Event vwr. That is the event viewer. So I open a event viewer. So if you want to see the event viewer and all, so you can see from your physical machine also, no problem. Okay, so here is the event viewer. Make it as a full screen mode and just wait for 2-3 minutes. So then these things will be loaded. Let it load, and also you can read it from here. So you don't require a Google also. So you can see to view event viewers that occurs on your computer. Appropriate sources log or a custom view node in the control console tree. Administrative event custom view contains all administrative events regardless of sources, aggregated to view of logs in below. So you can see what kind of events it is generated by system. Okay, what is the event? First of all, understand what is the event. For example, you install a application, new application, you install it. That is an event. You uninstall an application, that is also an event. You log into your PC, event. You shut down your PC, event. You log out from the PC, that is also event. You change the file system. You change the file system means you created a disk and formatted it. All are events only. For example, hard disk is full, event. Your C drive is full, it's an event. You created a file, that is also event. So every thing is an event. Okay, so every point is considered as a information. It is event only. You deleted an application, or maybe you uninstall an application, or maybe you change file system, or maybe you change a setting. Everything is an event only. So there is a different events are there. So critical event, critical errors, warning, information, audit success, and audit failure. Okay, so audit success, audit failure, information, warnings, errors, and critical. Warning is like you have to take an action. You got a notification, you got a mail, that is also a event. Like it is information, you got some notification, maybe update is available, system got updated. Okay, update installed, waiting for restart. These are all comes under information. Warning, hard disk is full, application taking more space, or maybe that's like a warning. Okay, disk full, warning. RAM full, it is a warning. Like that is comes under warning levels. Errors, error means application failed to load, error. Okay, mm, you have to take an action against it, so it's like error. You fail to get IP address from network, so that is an error, right? Like that. Critical, some action you must take in, so there is a issue in your system. um, like few things, like we can see there is no critical errors to see the example also. So these are the type of events. What are the type of events? Critical, error, warning, information, audit success, and audit failure. Means when you log in to the PC, then you given a password correct, audit success. Password wrong, means login failure, audit failure. Someone access your data through remotely, means shared folder is there, they are giving wrong password, audit failure. They given correct password, and authorization is done, audit success, like that. Okay. Hmm. Here, these are the type of events. Next, this is Windows logs. This is Windows logs. You should go to Windows log, and you can find different type of Windows log: application, security, setup, system, forwarded events. Okay. So these are the application. So you click on application, you can see information and error also there. So you can see information is Windows error reporting. This is application error. So there everything is an application here. So you can see Skype host.exe application error is there. Faulting application name Skype host.exe, that is the version. So it is trying to open that Skype.exe thing. It is not working here, so it is automatically showing error. So activation of apps of Windows messaging. This is also Skype related one only. Every event has a event number also there. So you can see this is the event ID. Event IDs are common in a different events. Like each event has a Butler event ID. Okay, based on the event ID, we can understand what happened also. SVC host a database engine starting new instance. So that is a event. It is generated. Log name is application source is sent, and this is event ID. When it is generated, category and class and computer name. This is the details of events. You can go to details of events and we can read what it is there. And you can copy the event and send to the Microsoft also. So these are the numbers of events. Okay. So here we can see an application information and error. So what is this? Like if any application is not loading properly, or maybe the service is not started properly, then it is comes under application. Next, security. Security is based on a log only. Log success, audit success. Somewhere I've seen change. Audit failure. Okay, where it is code integrity determine page hashing image files are not valid. Do you remember what is this? Image files are not valid. I'm trying to open my image, right? So that time it is failed to open because of that hashing is not there. So that is generated a event. Yesterday we done EFS encrypted file system. So that is the thing. It is related to that one only. Okay. Okay. So either it is user unable to access, or maybe one user data another user is trying to access. It audit that one. Okay. For example, so what we can say, yeah, I have a shared folder, other person is trying to access my shared folder, but he's cannot able to access because he given a username and password wrong. Username is correct, password is wrong, so then obviously it shows audit failure. He successfully can able to open, audit success. New login something is there. So account is successfully logged in. So when it is generated, now only just it is generated. Okay. It's generated at 2 o'clock. So we want more morning. So afternoon only we told file accessing, or morning at this time only. Account was logged off. So maybe I account logged off. This okay. Different IDs are doing, but you should get our ID. Account successful login. So login success, login logout failure, accessing your file system, or accessing your application. Okay, from different account, or maybe same account, or maybe remotely you are accessing. So everything will be audited. Audit success and audit failure. Clearly you want to audit certain thing, also you can use the group policy thing to do it. Okay. Next, setup. Setup is also like services running or not running. So you can see fail to change the stage status, something it is showing. Okay, that is a setup thing. System, your system based warning. It is showing some browser is was unable to retrieve last server from the browser master. When I use a browser, it is belongs to sharing folder kind of stuff. Okay, this is a messaging related one. Okay, so these are main four things: application, security, setup, and system. What is forwarded events? If you forward any event to the Butler track place, like it is forwarded event. For example, warning, copy table, okay, okay, attached entire properties. Okay, no, 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 it's not getting anything. Okay, if any event is forwarded, then you will get into series one. This is important: Windows logs, application, security, setup, and you can try to locate what it is and where it is and all kind of stuff. And this is application and service log, a specific log of hardware events, Internet Explorer events, key management services related events. This is Microsoft. Okay, Windows. Here you can see a different kind of set of events in a Windows related thing like a app locker, DHCP, DNS. Okay, individual one. Okay, but important here out of this one is these things only important. Okay, these are the event viewers. Check the event viewers and type of events also. Okay, event viewer. What is the thing? Go to run event vwr.msc. You can open the event viewer, or you can use the control panel to event viewer. You can use Cortana to open the event viewer also in Windows 10. Okay, so here uh, event types. Okay, so different types are the critical events are there. Error, warning, 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 right? So it's a warning. Okay, next information. Warning and errors are like if something is happened but it is not danger much, but you have to take action before it become critical. Okay, before it become critical, so then it is a warning. If already become a critical, then we can't do anything. So right, it's a critical warning. If system is crashed, if system is crashed, but you want to know why system is crashed, so then you have to search for a critical and errors. Okay. Information. Next is audit. Audit success, audit fail. Audit success and audit fail or failure, whatever it is you can use. Okay, and there is a location called in Windows logs. Go to Windows logs. Okay, then you can find a different type of categories of Windows logs are application, security, setup. One more I'm missing: application, security, setup, system. Okay, and of course forwarded events is a not much important, but it is also why I'm can't able to type forward. Maybe slowly because of this pressure. No, I'm getting confused more. Yeah, right. These are the events in Windows logs. Okay, so find out what it is, what is the purpose of these logs and okay. That's it. That is about your event viewer. There are a lot of things to discuss. Okay, small part I want to tell one more small part, that is local group policy. What is a local group policy? We'll see that one. So these are the events. Events are generated by, so what you do with the system. Okay, so this is a event viewer. What is local group policy? How to open the local group policy? Okay, gpedit.msc. Okay, gpedit.msc. Okay, okay, this is a local computer policy. So these are the policies. This is user configuration and computer configuration. When we are going to Windows Server, then we will see the domain group policies kind of stuff. That group policies are control multiple PCs, but this is a local group policy controls our PC only. Okay, this is for our PCs, our user, our system purpose only. For example, I want to restrict the user thing, like I can go to the Windows settings, okay, security settings, public key policies are there, okay, administrative templates are there. Okay, I go to desktop and I will tell there is lot of policies are there because we don't have time to do one by one. So yeah, here it is anyway. Remove recycle bin icon from the desktop. So when I okay with the policy, this is not configured. So when if I open this policy and said enable, and I said enable, what is this? Remove recycler bin icon from the desktop. I click on enable, apply OK and update the policy. What happened? This recycler bin will be gone from the desktop. Understand? This recycler bin will be gone from the desktop. Understand? So this is the policy. What is the policy? It is setting. So we are enforce the settings on a user and a computer. So then they will strict on that one. Remove computer icon on the desktop. Remove my desktop icon on the desktop. Um, Also we can see a lot of things are there on a desktop. Okay, start menu taskbar. Okay, clear history of recent open documents and exit. So when you exit, then automatically it will clear that. Add log off to the start menu. So this is our start menu, right? In start menu, we'll get a power, sleep, update and shutdown, and update and restart. Now it is updated. Okay. Now you can see sign out. Okay. You can add log off to start menu. So I will do this one. So enable it. So I'm adding log off. Okay. Apply. Okay. We should do it, but I done okay. So I done. Then anything is added? Nothing. No changes. So go to run gp update slash force, or just gp update is enough. Gp update is enough. Let it update. Okay, even that is also won't work. Okay, only we have to log off ourselves. Okay, nothing is there here. So I'm going to sign out my account. Sign out anyway. In a I done a change in a user configuration, so that I have to sign out and sign in. If I change something in a computer configuration, then I must restart the PC. Remember that one. If you done a change in user configuration, you must sign in and sign out. So sign out and sign in to apply the change. Okay, you must sign in and sign out to get apply that change. If you change in a user configuration, if you change in a computer configuration, you must restart your PC. Nothing is added here. This is my start menu, right? Nothing is added here. Maybe after a few things we will do it. So best one is removing recycler bin only. It's okay, no problem. Okay, so that is a thing. So again, I'm open gpedit.msc. Okay, so this is user configuration. If you done any settings here, the settings will apply only in a sign out and sign in time only. This is computer configuration. If you change anything here, that will be applied and after that will be applied only after reboot only. If I change something here, pin app to start when install like that. If I change this one automatically, what we can say, it applied only after reboot. This is user configuration. If I change something here, it is applied on my user or um, um, users in my PC wise also we can able to it. Here applied on every user. Okay, the settings under computer configuration, any changes I made it, it applied to every user in this PC. This is a specific user, current user and other users also. Okay, so that is a thing. This is a local group policy. Okay, how to open local group policies applied on the Butler PC only. How to open this one? Run gpedit.msc. If you change anything, setting in local group policy settings, any settings, you have to use the command in a run cp update, or you can use along with the force is a switch, that's it, like forcibly update this one. So this is about your local group policies and okay, of course there is so many things are there, still commands are there. Okay, application you know already, go to for application management, programs and applications, programs and application, I think so you can go through appwiz.msc. appwiz.msc automatically will go to application, programs and applications. There you can manage your application, uninstall the application or anything. Next, so we'll do it here only, appwiz.cpl. Yes, that's the correct one, cpl not msc. Okay, so this is a application thing. Okay, if you want to uninstall an application or you want to change the application, or you want to modify the application thing, you can do it, like click on some application, uninstall it, change it is asking. Okay, you have to confirm that you want to uninstall it or you want to remove it or like that. Okay, next in this one also we have a view installed updates are there, what are the recent updates you got it, and you don't want it, you can remove that one also, view installed updates. Okay, these are recent updates I got it to my PC. So these are from Microsoft, this is C++, Visual C++, these two, there's Serverlite, and this is a Adobe Reader. For example, I don't want this application, it causing me some issue, I can able to uninstall that application, update also. Okay, so I'm going to uninstall a program. So these are the programs in my PC. Okay, if I don't want, if it is occupying more space, or maybe it is causing some issue, maybe I don't no longer require that application, maybe I have a multiple application for that one. So what I will do, I can uninstall it. Okay, so depends upon my requirement, I will manage it, right? So that is the thing. Okay, lot of thing unnecessary things are there. Okay, next, this is a turn windows feature on or off. So this is belongs to adding a new feature to it, okay, or removing unnecessary features. Like I have a certain feature I don't require, now I want to remove it, so I will remove it. Like I don't want internet explorer 11 because it's no longer use it. Maybe I want internet information service like a web services, I will add it. Maybe I want a telnet client. So it is a virtual machine platform, new one is there. If I add this one, I will get another problem. I have to allow both the VMware and this one. Okay, this is how we can able to manage the applications.